Hello, guys. Salam sejahtera and a good day. Uh, I am the mentor of the group of our group. It White Wise Group. Uh, the member of the group is first is Betita Sani, second is Presi Natalia Juni, third is Elka Dora Marulin, the four is Ellen Elisandra Jepiri, and the last is Joyce Presica Leo. And our project, and we are from SMK Pitas 2 Pitas Sabah Malaysia, and our project title is PTE. PI is a stand for Pintar, is in English is smart, and TE is stand for tenaga, is in English is energy, and E is stand for electric. And for the introduction, is electrical energy as a become an essential resources that support economic growth, industrial productivity, and public welfare. In Malaysia, the demand of the electricity continue to grow, defined by population expansion, urban development, and digitalization. Understanding how this energy is used helps stakeholder plan for sustainable development. The electrical cost calculator energy saving strategy is using a quadratic function to help user calculate their own electricity users cost and suggest energy saving strategy. And this our project is related to our subject is a subject additional mathematics in form 4 chapter 2 is a quadratic function. Okay.
Hi, my name is Fresina Tanelia and I will continue this presentation. So, I will be presenting the major sector of electricity usage. We have 7 points. First point, 3.1 is residential sector. Household in Malaysia rely heavily on electricity for lighting, air conditioning, cooking, and powering electronic devices. The residential sector accounts for a significant portion of national electricity consumption, especially in urban areas. Second point, 3.2, industrial sector. The industrial sector uses electricity to operate machinery, manufacturing lines, and heavy equipment. Industries such as electronics, food processing, and petrochemicals are some of the largest energy consumers. The third point, 3.3, commercial sector. Commercial buildings, including offices, shopping malls, and hotels, consume large amount of energy for lighting, elevator, HVAC systems, and IT equipment.
Tiga.
The fourth point is 3.4, transportation sector. While the transportation sector has traditionally relied on fossil fuels, there is a growing shift toward electric vehicles (EVs) and public transport system powered by electricity. Fifth point, 3.5, sources of electrical energy. Electricity in Malaysia is primarily generated from fossil fuels such as natural gas and coal. However, the government has made significant efforts to increase the share of renewable sources like solar, hydro, and biomass. The Natural Energy Transition Roadmap (NETR) aims to make renewable energy a major contributor to the electricity mix by 2050. The sixth point, 3.6, environmental impact. Electricity generation from non-renewable sources contributes to greenhouse gas emissions and environmental degradation. The move toward cleaner energy sources is crucial to mitigate climate change and protect ecosystems. The last point, 3.7, energy efficiency and government policies. The Malaysian government, through agencies like the Energy Commission and Sustainable Energy Development Authority (SEDA), promotes energy efficient practices. Programs such as the Minimum Energy Performance Standard (MEPS), Net Energy Metering (NEM), and incentive for solar installations aim to reduce consumption and encourage greener alternatives.
Okay, my name is Venita Sani. I want to continue our presentation by introduce our quadratic function model. Okay, we use the general form Cx equal to ax square root plus bx plus c, where a is equal to 0.0004, b equal to 0.454, and c equal to 1.5. Okay, a is the quadratic coefficient represents progressive increase for high usage. The value is very small, but it has a significant impact at higher levels of electricity consumption. It is used to reflect a tariff system that becomes more expensive with higher energy usage, aimed at encouraging energy conservation. Then B is linear coefficient, average base rate. Okay, represent the base rate per kilowatt per hour. This is the standard charge applied based on actual usage. Okay, C is fixed cost. Fixed cost is fixed charge like capacity, retail, and more. In this covers the monthly fixed charge that remains unchanged even if usage is zero. Okay, before you count the cost, you have to know the energy consumption in kilowatt to calculate the cost. First, you have to check your electricity meter. What you want to know how much a single appliance uses, so you have to use this formula where kilowatt equal to watt ratings times by hour use divided by 1000. Example: a 75-watt fan used for 8 hours a day, where 75 times by 8 equal to 1000 equal to 1.6 kilowatt per day. So, so this is the example calculation for usage of 1900 kilowatt. So just insert the value of 900 kilowatt. So the final cost is MYR 442 ringgit and 50 cent. Okay, you can see the table how to know the kilowatt you use in day or in monthly. Okay, this is it's okay. I'm done.
Tiga.
Hello, my name is Elkadora Marilyn. So I will continue our presentation by presenting the electricity saving strategies. As you can see here, there are four electricity saving strategies. First is switch the LED lighting. Second, use electrical appliances with a 5-star rating. Third, use electricity during off peak hours. And the last one is switch off appliances when not in use. So now, how the electricity saving strategies help? First, switch to LED lighting. LED lights use up to 80% less energy compared to conventional bulbs. It also lasts longer and saves in the long run. Second is use electrical appliances with a 5-star rating. Television, refrigerators, and washing machines all now in energy efficient versions. And the third is use electricity use electricity during off-peak hours. The time from 10 p.m. to 2 p.m. is considered an off-peak period with lower rates if you are on the time of use TOU tariff. And the last one is switch off appliances when not in use. Appliances like TV, chargers, and microwaves still consume power in standby mode. Use the main switch to fully cut off the power supply.
Tiga.
Hello everyone, my name is Ellen Alexander Japiri. I will continue our presentation by presenting optimal cost based on usage level. The first usage level is energy efficient. The description is use LED light, fan, energy saving refrigerator, and minimal air conditioner use. For the second usage level is moderate. The description is use 1 to 2 air conditioner, washing machine, TV, and computer. The last usage level is high. The description is many high power applications used throughout the day. In conclusion, this project is a practical guide to face the challenges of fluctuating electricity tariff. User will not only be able to estimate their monthly costs more accurately, but also plan their usage more efficiently and responsibly. That's all from us. Thank you.